everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel order on Bybit P2P. Now let me verify and clarify the exact steps to cancel a Bybit P2P order for buyers and sellers. This is the updated and accurate process as of 2025. Now if you want to cancel a Bybit P2P order for buyers, that means you place an order. What you do is the first thing you're gonna do is log into your Bybit account. Then you go to your P2P trading, that is https://www.bybit.com/fiat/trade/. Then you go to orders and click on the orders tab. Once you've done this, find your active orders. The status will be written as waiting for payment or to be released. Once you found it, click cancel and then confirm. It is as simple as that. Now if you're a seller, that is, you created an ad, what do? First you go to your P2P trading, then you select my ad and you select orders, and once you've done that, click on cancel and then confirm your cancellation. It's as simple as that. Please note that you can only cancel if the buyer hasn't paid yet, and once payment is made or marked as paid, cancellation is impossible. You have to resolve via chat or dispute with the buyer. Now, frequent cancellation can also lower your P2P reputation. Now, if the cancel button is missing, the order may already be locked. You need to contact support. And for dispute, you can use the appeal button in the order chat. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.